Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be tomato prawns. If you love prawns, you have come to the right place. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more cooking videos. And let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Cut away the mouth, horn, and the legs of the prawns. Peel the prawns until the tail, leaving the top portion on. Slightly cut the top of the prawns and remove the intestines. Dry the prawns with paper towels. Add some salt, pepper, and flour and mix them. Add 4 tablespoons of water in the bowl. Add in all the condiments and mix them. And that's all for the preparation, and the cooking begins. At medium heat, add in half cup of oil. Add in the prawns and cook till around 80% done. Remove the prawns, retaining the oil for use later. Add in some oil and add in the ginger. Add in the garlic and stir till fragrance. Add in the tomato and green pepper. Once softened slightly, add in the sauce. Add in the prawns once the sauce starts to thicken. Coat the prawns in sauce and it's done. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!